Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Hifonics 6-speaker, 200W Powersports Soundbar, IPX68 Waterproof, Bluetooth and AUX, and why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because it consists of the following features: universal weatherproof 6-speaker Bluetooth amplified soundbar, great for UTV side-by-sides, golf carts and other outdoor or marine environments. IPX68 certified for water, dust, and wind resistance. Bluetooth memory sync remembers the most recent device. 6 3-inch high-efficiency bass and mid-range drivers. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.